Without trucks, America stops. Without trucks, America stops having highways congested by unnecessary heavy vehicles, and we stop having completely avoidable damage to our cars occur because inbred hillbilly fucks don't properly maintain their vehicles. And for the second time in 12 months, some inbred trucker has shredded a tire on the fucking highway right in front of me and damaged my car. If you're someone who insists that trucks are the lifeblood of America's supply lines, fuck you. We have more than enough rail capacity to move goods overland by rail, to the degree that trucking as a shipping method would only need to be used locally or regionally. But the truck industry still exists thanks to lobbyists. The trucking industry, like realtors, is 100% fucking obsolete. Without trucks, we'd stop having overly congested highways and damage to our property due to shoddy maintenance of heavy vehicles.